Hello everyone, welcome back to our tech learning series. Today we will explore something that makes computers think and act. Yes, it is called programming. Today we will learn about computer programming. Programming means giving step-by-step instructions to a computer so it can perform a task. Just like we follow a recipe to cook food. Computers follow our code to complete a job. When we write a program, we actually teaching the computers how to think and act. It could be as simple as showing a message or as complex as running a whole game. Let's take a simple example. You want the computer to add 2 plus 2. You cannot just say, "Hey computer, add these numbers." It would not understand. Instead, you write a short program like this: print 2 plus 2. It will give you the result 4. The answer will 4. That's programming. You tell it exactly what to do. So, why is programming so important? Well, almost everything in our world today runs on computers, from apps to website to even smart devices. Without programming, we would not have the technology we rely on the daily. Think about the website you visit, the games you play, and even the apps on your phone. All of them are created by programmers who used code to bring ideas to life. So now you know programming is super important. But what language do programmers use? Well, just like how we have different languages to speak like English, Hindi, etc., there are different programming language for computers. Some of the most popular ones include Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Each language has its strengths and you can choose which one to learn based on what you want to create. Now let's see how programming actually works. When a programmer writes code, it's just a plain text, a set of instructions for the computer. This code is then sent to a special tool called a compiler or interpreter, which translates it into machine language 0 and 1 that the computer can understand. Once translated, the computer follows those instructions step by step to complete the task, whether it's showing text, playing music, or running an app. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.